In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart to your Shopify product page using Shopify 2.0 Metafields without needing any additional apps. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to offer customers detailed sizing information right on the product page, enhancing their shopping experience and potentially boosting conversions. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to access your Shopify admin. Head over to the homepage of your store. Once you're in, the next step is to locate the Settings menu. You can find this in the lower left corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page where you can configure various aspects of your store. Within this menu, look for Metafields and Meta Objects. This section is where you'll be setting up the metafields needed to display your size chart on product pages. Now navigate to Variants. This is important because the size chart information will be variant specific, meaning it can be tied to individual product variations. Once you're in the Variants section, you'll see an option labeled Google Size System. Click on that to proceed. Now you'll need to adjust some specific fields. Start by clicking on Name. This is where you input the label or the identifier for your size chart, ensuring it is clear and indicative of what your customers will see. After setting up the name, the next field you'll want to set up is Description. Here you can input the detailed sizing info that customers will see when they click on the size chart. It's essential to be thorough and precise so that your customers can easily understand the sizing information provided. After setting the name and description, the next step involves setting up validations. The validation settings help ensure that the metafield data remains consistent and accurate. This is especially useful if you have multiple team members managing product details. It reduces the risk of error, maintaining a cohesive shopping experience for your customers. Lastly, head over to Options. This area allows you to customize how the size chart data will display on your storefront. You can tailor the settings to best fit your store's theme and layout. Consider previewing the size chart to ensure it blends well with your product page design and is easily accessible to your customers. Once you're satisfied with your settings, make sure everything is saved before exiting Shopify. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully added a size chart to your Shopify product page. This straightforward method not only saves you from the hassle of using additional apps, but also integrates seamlessly with Shopify 2.0, ensuring a smooth user experience. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for your Shopify store. Happy selling!